Chinese potato. I am going to make Chinese potato fry out of this in a different style. Now for that I have taken around 1 kg Chinese potato, and along with it I have taken salt to taste, little honey, little ginger, little asofoetida, a small piece of tamarind, little turmeric powder and little black pepper powder, and 4 to 5 green chillies. Pan is ready. I put little water so that it's getting boiled. Now we'll just add this tamarind syrup. Squeeze tamarind syrup first. Again we'll add this turmeric powder. Again we'll add this salt, honey, green chilli, ginger. We will wait for another 5 minutes so that everything gets cooked. Now we will just see whether our tamarind everything syrup has been cooked. Yes, now this has been cooked. Now towards this, let us add this Chinese potato. Now we'll add little water also. I am going to add little coconut oil, which I have not mentioned while I was talking about the ingredients. I am adding now Asofoetida pepper powder. Now our Chinese potato fry is ready. We will just season it with little mustard and curry leaf. Here I have done a new style of Chinese potato fry. So nice to be with you. Thank you.